In this video, I am going to explain two organic chemistry practice problems based on reaction mechanism. This substrate is treated with methanol. Bromine is a leaving group. So carbon-bromine bond breaks. We get a 3-degree carbocation. 3-degree carbocation is a very stable carbocation. That means the reaction follows SN1 mechanism. Next step is methanol attacks to carbocation. Here oxygen acts as a nucleophilic center. Methanol is a nucleophile. Now this OH bond breaks, deprotonation takes place and we get the final product. So from this reaction we can conclude that if we are getting a 3-degree carbocation, the reaction follows SN1 mechanism. This substrate is treated with OH-. Iodine is a good leaving group. Carbon-iodine bond breaks, 2-degree carbocation forms. Now OH- attacks to 2-degree carbocation. Since 2-degree carbocation is forming, so the reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Now here one thing we have to understand, the behavior of OH-. OH- act as a strong base rather than a nucleophile. So that means when a nucleophile acts as a strong base, it follows elimination pathway rather than substitution pathway. So now here the elimination will be dominating. For elimination reaction we know presence of beta hydrogens are must. Now in this 2-degree carbocation there are two types of beta carbons and beta carbons contain beta hydrogens. When the left hand side beta hydrogen elimination takes place we get compound A, and when right hand side beta hydrogen elimination takes place we get second alkene compound, that is B. Now here we have written compound A is a major product and compound B is a minor product. Now let's understand why compound A is a major product. Compound A is more substituted alkene and more substituted alkene has more hyperconjugation structure. So this is the alkene. This alkene has 3 alpha carbons and each alpha carbons contain alpha hydrogen. So here total 7 alpha hydrogen. So that means 7 hyperconjugation structure. So when there is a 7 hyperconjugation structure, that is more stable. And here in this alkene there is only 1 alpha carbon and it has only 1 alpha hydrogen. So only 1 hyperconjugation structures is possible. More hyperconjugation structure means more stability. That's why compound A is more stable than compound B, and that is the reason compound A is a major product and compound B is the minor product.